Good morning, everybody. My name is Solo Moncada.
My name is Pedro Gonzalez.
And during this video, we're going to talk about the history and evolution of the money. The first point of the history of the money was related with barter process, and this was used to consist in the exchange of products that the people used to have to other ones that they didn't have. And this process wasn't so exact. It was an exact process, so it was difficult to deal some things for other ones.
Then the next process is when people give value to these products that they exchange. For example, they say, why the 500 of grants is the same that 4 fishes. So this process make more formal the buying and selling process.
The exchange of the process, and the people used to think that they know the real value of the money, but
this is things and products that they produce and they need.
Yes. The next point of the history of related with the money was when the people start to exchange things made with metal for other ones, for other things, for example, for food or things like that they need also. And during this process, there was more exactly value of the metal, so this did more easier the process of buying and selling things.
And then the people established value to the money. They became to produce coins with these metals. For example, we have gold metal, silver coins, and the problem with this process is that they produce, for example, a $1 coin with 500 grams of gold. So the value of the gold isn't equal to the value of the coin. So this is a real problem because they make a difference that isn't.
Yes, and during this period of time, I started the coin as a coin that we know nowadays, but because the intrinsic value of the metal wasn't equal as the value of the coin, this kind of money disappeared during the last century and started to process paper money, that is the money that we use nowadays. And finally,
in these days, the boom of electronics makes possible the digital money. This is where we know the cards or the credit cards or things like that, where you have money in your bank and you can spend it whenever you want. This process is easy because it makes possible international deals and in a very fast way.
And that's all.
This is why how we came to the actual money.